Creating delight. As cleaning professionals, we know that our job is to do more than just clean a home. We are not only making their homes spotless, but we are also building trust and comfort within our clients' homes. Imagine walking into a home where the cleaning technician greets you with a big smile and a positive attitude. Doesn't that immediately put you at ease? That's the power of enthusiasm and happiness on the job. But it's not just about putting on a happy face. We're going to explore all of the effective strategies for building a strong, positive relationship with our clients. From active listening to going above and beyond, we will discover how to make our clients feel valued and appreciated. And let's not forget, a positive attitude and a strong relationship with our clients can lead to great tips and higher scores. So grab your cleaning supplies and let's get started in building a positive relationship with our clients. Be friendly and helpful. Our clients are entrusting us with access to their personal space, and it's natural for them to feel vulnerable or uncomfortable. That's why it's crucial for us to create a positive and welcoming atmosphere for our clients. Here are some easy and effective ways that you can do this. Introduce yourself when you arrive. This will make the client feel more at ease and having a little bit more comfort when having a stranger in their home. Greet the client when you arrive. Say goodbye before you leave. It's important to acknowledge their presence and show them that you respect their space. If the client is home, ask them if you'd like to do a walkthrough before you leave. This gives them the opportunity to point out any areas of concern and give you a chance to address them before you leave. Always flash a smile when the client is around. A positive attitude goes a long way in making your clients feel at ease. Here are some things that you should avoid doing. Don't ask the client to do something that you can do for them yourself. For example, if they ask you a question that you don't know the answer to, don't tell them to call the office. Just call the office yourself to get the answer. Don't disappear without saying goodbye. This can make the client feel uncomfortable and uneasy. By following these simple guidelines, you'll be able to build strong, positive relationships with your clients and provide them with an exceptional cleaning experience. Encourage and use feedback. Connect with your clients on a deeper level by actively seeking their feedback during each visit. A simple question like, "Is there anything that you'd like us to do differently for you?" can make all the difference when building a lasting relationship. Don't stop there. Keep asking for feedback on each visit and use it continuously to improve your client's service. Before each cleaning, review the client's scorecards and address any previous concerns. If they haven't been providing scorecards, ask them to start doing so and make sure to follow through on any suggestions that they provide. Show your clients that you truly care by providing the best possible service by taking their feedback to heart and implementing their suggestions. Leave good notes. Leaving a thoughtful note to your client on your client checklist is a surefire way to build a deeper connection and even larger tips. Imagine if your client came home to find a note detailing all the little extra touches during their cleaning. They'll feel impressed by your attention to detail and feel truly valued. Make your notes even more personalized by using your clients' names, as well as the names of their pets and children if you know them. Show that you've been paying attention to the little things in their home, like complimenting their decor, new furniture, paint colors, or even children's drawings on the fridge. By being specific in your comments, this will show that you truly care about their individual wants and needs. At the end of each day, it's the little things that make each cleaning visit special. Inspire smiles and create delight with each visit by leaving those detailed, personalized notes to your clients. Details matter, and your clients will appreciate the extra effort that you put into making their home feel special. Add personal touches. There are countless ways for you to infuse your own unique touch into the homes that you service and leave that lasting impression for your client. Imagine the surprise and delight on a child's face when they find a note from you expressing an interest in a book or artwork they have on display. Or the comfort a family might feel by receiving a card from you during a difficult time. like the birth of a new baby or the loss of a beloved pet. Such small acts of kindness can make a big difference, and it's easy to expense the cost of cards and other small gifts by using the expense reimbursement form available on the employee's resource page. We are more than happy to pay for whatever gifts and cards you'd like to get for your clients you truly connect with. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of going above and beyond in small ways, like bringing the recycling in and the trash bins in back to their designated area on trash day, or bringing in small packages or pamphlets from on the porch. These small gestures can really make someone's day and set you apart as a service provider who truly cares about their clients' well-being. So go out there and add your own personal flair to the service you provide, as it will make all the difference. Really wow them. Want to add a little fun and inspiration to your cleaning routine? Why not surprise and delight your clients by going above and beyond with the small extra tasks that only take a few minutes to complete? Here are some examples of quick extras that can make a big impact. Spruce up the porch by removing cobwebs. Give the front door a fresh shine by wiping it down inside and out. Show love for their furry friends by washing out their food and water bowls. Add a touch of cleanliness by cleaning the inside of the kitchen cabinet that can contain trash cans. These small little extras not only show the client that you care, but also encourage positive scorecards and lead to larger tips. So why not have a little fun and add that extra little sparkle to your cleaning routine? Your clients will appreciate it, and you'll feel great knowing that you've made a difference in someone's life. Knocking their socks off with staging. Staging is where the magic happens. It's a creative and fun part of your job where you get to showcase your skills and leave a lasting impression on your clients. When people come home after cleaning, they may not necessarily notice what you did, but they'll definitely notice what you didn't do. And if there's any one spot that you missed, it can make all the difference for your hard work seeming like it was for nothing. That's where staging comes in. It gives your clients visible evidence of your hard work, and it prevents them from looking for areas that were missed. It can also make the client question what they're paying for. The solution to that problem is simple: staging. Staging not only gives the client visible evidence that you were there, but it also prevents them from going to look for areas that were missed. When they walk in the door and everything feels nice and looks beautiful, they have no reason to be concerned and go looking around their home. What staging is not. Staging is not redecorating our clients' homes or rearranging their furniture. It is vital that the items need to stay in the same general area they were in as whenever you arrived. Even if something would fit better in another area, you need to leave it in its original area. As much as it may seem helpful to clients, but your clients have their home set up in the way that they want, and it is not our place to change it. What staging is? Staging is the act of making sure each room you clean looks like you were there. There are many different things that you can do that qualify as staging, but most of them include making things look extra neat and shiny. Let's now go over examples of general staging. Lining up shoes in a straight line by the door. Fluffing the pillows and folding or rolling blankets. Making sure beds are straightened with tight corners, fluff pillows, and etc. Making sure shiny things are shiny, such as glass tabletops, chrome faucets, windows, mirrors, etc. Nothing will draw a client's attention faster than a smudge on a usually shiny surface. Wiping down the bottles in the shower and arranging them nicely with labels facing forward. Leaving carpet lines on carpets and furniture. Stacking paperwork. Banning magazines on coffee tables. Lining up remotes and other items on coffee tables nicely. Spacing the chairs out evenly around the dining room table. Folding towels nicely and hanging them up. Folding the toilet paper, tissue, and paper towels. And straightening picture frames after you dust them. Staging makes people happy. especially when you stage for kids, stage for pets, or do funny or unique staging. This is the best kind of staging you can do to make your client happy. Anything you can do to make a child happy will quickly win the heart of the parents. And remember, if a client doesn't have kids, their pets are their babies. Staging for kids includes things like arranging the stuffed animals or toys in a funny scene, storytime scenes where one animal is reading a book to another, staging action figures in an epic battle, leaving cute notes on a dry erase board, or arranging the fridge magnets into a smiley face. Remember, we're here to take the stress off people's plates and provide them with a smile at the end of the day. Those are two things that are priceless and make us stand out from the rest. When all else fails, a positive attitude and enthusiasm can go a long way in establishing trust and creating a great working relationship with your clients. We hope you can put these strategies into practice and continue to provide excellent service to your clients. Thank you so much for your dedication to your work and for making a difference in the lives of our clients. Keep up the great work.